We got the bow now.
Actually, put it on the other side of it. Underneath.
You just tie it to this thing and then...
Yeah.
He doesn't want to get stuck.
That's good enough?
That'll do.
Like my sailor's knot?
Or not.
Or not?
It's just a... No, or not.
Or not?
Come here.
Oh yeah.
You need an opener, right?
Yeah, what the hell
That's
is...
for the ride in Hartford.
Right.
It's a boat ride.
Mary Catherine.
Hey, we got a can opener in here.
I'm sailing!
That's loud.
I should get like a boat cam or something, you know.
Yeah, boat cam.
Got to be a can opener on this thing.
I'm an asshole.
Yeah.
Yo, 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 yo.
It must be retarded or something.
How do you like the new canoe? My sister caught it floating down the river. She said, you can have it. I'm like, well, thank you, Sheila.
It's a piece of shit. No one, yeah.
It's plastic.
Come on then.
Free shit. Well, it's okay, but the spine is busted.
I don't know. I've never been in it.
I
It's
would.
aluminum one. It's heavier, but it's good.
No, thanks. No, this one's better than that. This one's fine. I think we can fix it.
I almost can't hear you.
I know. I know.
All these tools and there's no can opener.
No, dude.
Fuck it. Hey, so we have to go slow up there, right? To see
Dude,
if
just
it-
unscrew the fucking thing.
It's a twist.
Oh, they are?
Maybe, maybe not.
Fucking guys.
Fucking guy.
I was just watching. I'm like, how long can it go? I'll just let it go for another minute or so. It's like an entertainment system. Don't leave you near that. It will fall. And this piece of wood right behind you is like that. On the wood, it's good. Like center of balance on it. So that is.
Fucking river water, man. It's very salty.
Salty river water.
I'll taste something. Some kind of saltine or something.
Hopefully we can clear that thing. I think we're good.
Looks good from here.
Are you shitting me? This takes 34 feet of water. There's 31 feet of water. There's a deficit of
31 and a half.
Okay.
You need 34?
Anyway, it's there's a bag shit lick. You got a paper towel in there.
31 and a half.
Yeah, pretty much.
So,
Grab that as it catches. Run down that in there.
so we gotta drop it, or
If you want to go on the river, we have to lower it. Yeah.
how hard is this thing to?
It's not put it up.
Motor's running good.
You're part of it.
The motor's running real good.
Yeah.
You have to decide